So here's SELFQUEST app. It's a fitness habit tracker gamified. So this app is going viral these days. It's quickly climbing in the top charts in health and fitness apps, also global apps. And yeah, what's the idea with that? You can track your core exercises which engage in main quests and compete them to earn experiences, points, and gold. So in a nutshell, the idea is that's like a gym tracker app, but in form of a game. So it's like gamified fitness gym tracker. So in case you're struggling to go to the gym or doing more exercises, you can try this app. And for example, if you also like video games, this app will kind of bring this gamification experience to you, and you kind of like playing video game with this app, but in fact you need to do real exercises in real gym or just yoga, whatever, and adding in this app, and this way you kind of building your character. So, this app is getting some nice traction. A lot of teenagers and people are bored with like standard gym tracker apps because they're kind of boring and all of that. So you can also try this one. So this guy is called SELFQUEST by James Kirkham. By the way, I don't think it's available on Google Play Store, Android at the moment. I'm not sure, but I've been searching. It's only on iOS for me. So here it is how it looks like. You just basically create an account, and then it kind of looks like some old school video game. So you have your profile, you have your character, and then you just need to also explore it in yourself, but I will try to give you some ideas. So you have all the different elements, like you have, for example, like inventory, glows. So you can see all of these different characters. You can equip different skins. So yeah, that's basically how you started. You can see like your status, your how many push-ups, sit-ups, squats, for example, I did. And then, so for example, here is a leaderboard. You can also add friends. But let me just show you how do I. So custom quests, daily main quest. So that's the main thing. Like you have quest, and the idea that you just create this quest, and then you have like goals like push-ups, sit-ups, squats, and run. So you can add a custom quest here, by the way, in custom. But here's the basic main quest. Like you need to do push-ups, 20 push-ups, 20 sit-ups, 20 squats, and run. So for example, I see this that I just completed the run, and then I need to complete all the 5 goals, and then yeah, you can also edit it. And then for example, I did like a 20 squats, and then I also did 20 sit-ups. And then you can see that it gives me rewards, vitality +1 and other gold +25, and also adds me experience. So pretty cool. And then daily side quest, also burpees, if you do 5 burpees, and that's additional one, for example, or if I meditate. And then I also have like a time limit, so I need to do it, and I have like 3 hours to finish it. So I don't know, until like 8 p.m. you need to do it. I don't know where you regulate it or change it. And then there are a bunch of side quests. There are different types of difficulties here, as you can see. And then yeah, you just see it here. So you just filling it out, and then you grow in your character. You grow in your level, you grow in your HP. And then you just equip the skin. Probably will have access to more skins and your power level. So you need to use this app for a while and get some points, get some push-ups, sit-ups to basically start using it properly. And then then there is another thing. It's called the battleground lobby, where you have your character, and then you can just fight kind of with different characters. So you can just do normal attack or special attack. So again, like here, if you do a normal attack, you need to do exercise push-ups. You need to do 5 repetitions and then damage 10. And then you have like seconds going on, and then you during these seconds you need to do 5 push-ups. So for example, like during 30 seconds, you need to do 5 push-ups. So that's the idea here. And then you just tap to complete exercise. And you know, this way is for a lot of people, it's just not that boring to doing push-ups. And then, oh, all right, I can complete. And then I'm fighting with this wolf, and I'm taking his house. And then I go to the dungeon 2, dungeon 3, and then that's how I fight. Then I can see all my rank. And the cool thing that you can just add a friend here. So then you can just tap to add a friend. You need to enter player ID. You can find your ID here in the top left. So mine is 107,035. So you can do that. And then there is your avatar. Then there is your quests. Then there are custom quests. And that's where you can just add your own custom quests, your own workout programs here. And then also there is like a shop where you can watch an ad here to gain an extra key or gain keys from daily quests. Use the button on this page whenever you need to more keys, but then they're capped to 20 a day. So then you're just getting keys, and then either you need to then you can see, all right, I have 180 gold and I have 1 keys. I need to get these to get more rewards and all those things. So here you need to get keys, buy keys or buy gold for additional levels. So that's how this app is being monetized. I don't know if it's possible to get gold or keys for free. Probably not. It's not possible to refer friends or like to get it. But of course you can just watch ad for, yeah, obviously you can watch ads for to get in 100 gold or 1 or getting keys. Yeah, you can do that. So yeah, that's the idea. Basically, again, just go to your quests and you have these daily main goals which you need to complete, and that's it. The one thing is that like you can update and change the quests, daily side quests. You can just update them here. And then I don't know, like, but you can't change the main quest. There are push-ups, sit-ups, and squats. For example, if your training is different, you will still need to do this in order to not face penalties. So this is the main quest, and then other ones, I guess you can edit them or kind of delete them. And then I don't know why there is a camera icon in top right. Yeah, this app has a bit of a glitchy side. Overall, it's working quite fine, but I think it can have some nice design improvements. Overall, yeah, it's very nicely done. Then there are settings. You can also delete your account, toggle sound. Oops, I can't go back. No worries. Probably need to restart it like this. So yep. And then you have your achievements here, and you have all of these exercises you can do. Then there is some kind of support, SELFQUEST app, gmail.com. Again, there is no go back button here for some reason. Then you can log out and you can connect your steps, connect your health, Apple Health, and then it also will, I guess, give you some points. So there you have it. Pretty super cool idea. I think, there will be much more apps like this. So try it out.